Guys, let's see what will happen in this video. If the bird will come or it will fly away. Let's debate. Predict. Put your own odd. This is an sure game. See if the bird will come or if it will fly away. Let's go. Your first thoughts. That your prediction. Put it on the comment section and let's go. Let's play this game, guys. Let's play this game. I call it a game because even right now you can't tell what happened at the end. So it's a game. Don't forget, this is Bosso Regular. Come meet me. Go if you want to pass it. I don't know the bird sound. Like I know the sound, I will use the actual sound, but I want to see if it will come here. He ran away finally.